If you looked at the other video, I grouped the fractions, and the way I grouped them by the ones that had factors of 2 together. So 2 squared, then I had a grouping of the ones that started with 4 squared, then I had one that started with 8 squared. But I think an easier way to do this is just this first term. I'm not a decimal person, but I'm going to use decimals this time. 1 over 2 squared is 1/4, and 1/4 is 0.25, and that's not very big. And I've lost my 1 plus. Here we go. So this would be 1 plus 0.25, 1 plus 0.25. And then the third term is 1/9, and I've memorized that one. It's 0.11. And 1 over 16 is 0.00625, but I'm just going to call it 0.06. And I think that's enough. Of course, 1 over 100, that's 1/100th is 0.01. So these decimals are getting smaller. So you're never going, if you're going up to 1 over 100, then you're never going to get to 2, okay? So when you look at your answers, it's got to be E. S is less than 2. And I got that by just looking at those decimals or fractions or whichever combination of them. And it will those will never add up to 1. So it's going to be less than 2. And I think that's an easier way to work this problem.